Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make your own iced tea. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or a fragrant herbal blend. Next, brew a strong tea concentrate. Use about 2 times the usual amount of tea for the same volume of hot water. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves. It's crucial to let this concentrate cool down completely before moving on. Once your tea concentrate is fully chilled, it's time to dilute it. Add an equal amount of cold water or adjust to your preferred strength. For a sweeter drink, incorporate your choice of sweetener now. Granulated sugar, honey, or a simple syrup all work wonderfully. Stir everything well until the sweetener is completely dissolved, ensuring a consistent taste throughout your refreshing beverage. Now for the best part, serving your delicious iced tea. Fill a tall glass with plenty of ice cubes. Pour your perfectly prepared iced tea over the ice. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, consider adding a garnish. A slice of fresh lemon, a sprig of mint, or even some berries can elevate your drink. Sip and savor your homemade creation right away. Beyond the classic, there are countless ways to customize your iced tea. Try infusing it with fresh fruits like peaches, raspberries, or even a hint of ginger for unique flavors. You can also explore different brewing techniques, such as cold brew, which yields a naturally smoother and less bitter tea. For those who love to read while relaxing with a cool drink, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Experiment and find your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.